morning, everyone. Today we're back at Knott's Berry Farm for our weekly update. A lot going on this week. The construction on the new Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster is coming along really quick, so we'll take a look at that. The sign has gone up at Mrs. Murphy's, the new restaurant replacing Spurs and Ghost Town. There is a new grab-and-go store being built near the Charleston Fountain, and a lot more. So let's go inside and check it out here at Knott's Berry Farm on this beautiful Sunday morning. A new dining establishment called Mrs. Murphy's Kitchen Farm Fresh Meals is taking place of Spurs and Ghost Town. No open date yet, but looks like soon. Our first update here in Camp Snoopy is that the canoe is gone off the waterfall, but don't worry. He is being moved over by the wooden bridges, and a new sign is coming up here as a new entry point, and we'll edit in what that's going to look like. And there should be some new entry signage here too. I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to look at the video. Update on the old meet and greet area, which I assume is going to be Woodstock's airmail, but we're not 100% sure. Nothing really has happened here. A closer look from this angle of the Grand Sierra Railroad, which will be the Beagle Express. New train coming in, expanded track. A look again at the Beagle Express from this angle, and Montezooma Forbidden Fortress. Nothing really has happened here either. The Snoopy canoe structure will be over there on the rocks, and the wood frame that you see over there is the new restroom facility. And behind that, which you can't see anymore, there's a metal frame structure. You can kind of see through the trees there. That is the loading station for Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster. And that building is blocking our view. You could actually see the tracks to the roller coaster the other day. As you can see here, construction on Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster. That metal frame, as I mentioned, we believe is the loading station. That wood frame in the back is a new restroom facility. And here we see work being done on the new Camp Snoopy theater location. This looks like it's going to be really neat when it's done. The Easter decorations are still up. We'll be up through next week for the Boysenberry Festival. And you can see the track over here now. This side we have Sally's Swing Along, and the Rocky Mountain Trucking Company will be the off-road rally. I believe this was closed during the week or last weekend, the Carrusel de California, but it is open today. Soul Spin, on the other hand, appears to be down. I don't know what this fence is doing in front of it, but let's see. I'm not sure what this fence is here for, but Soul Spin is not running. Because I never think there's enough of me in these videos, I'm going to do this facing the camera. The Dragon Swing, still closed. There was a bug in Jen's hair, and she's like, "Did you get it out?" I said, "I did, but I think it laid eggs." Here next to the Charleston Circle Fountain, they're building a M&T grab-and-go store. So this is one of those stores where you scan your credit card, the cameras follow you and see what you purchase, and it just automatically checks you out. There's something like this at Magic Mountain. This is a new concept they're building at airports, hotels, and theme parks, so we'll see. The Boysenberry Festival is coming to a close after today, which is Sunday. There's only 3 days left, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, ending on April 28th. Check that show schedule if there's a specific show that you want to see. Not everything is every day, but the food will be available every day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I have to sneeze. You know, it's the spring, those allergies. So make sure you come on out, see the shows, try the foods. Jen and I have eaten almost everything, so look through our videos. We'll put a link to opening day. Jen actually was not here. It was my friend Regina, but we tried a lot of foods here at the Boysenberry Festival. Everything was delicious, of course. So next event is Summer Nights in Ghost Town Alive. Not sure the exact dates because it all got pushed back this year, but a couple more days here for the Boysenberry Festival. The Calico mine ride is currently down for some reason. The water is not running either, and there's associates standing out front. Not sure if this is just a temporary delay or if it's down for maintenance. The Timber Mountain log ride is still down for its maintenance, and as you could see, we showed you a few weeks ago, this black little box here is where you scan your fast lane, single use and season or whatever day fast lane. And then they also are installing these machines in front of the fast lane rides. There's one in front of Ghost Rider, where I'm assuming you could purchase your fast lane for single day or all day, and they've wrapped them in wood, so they actually look pretty nice. So they're here near the entrance. There's also one near Ghost Rider, and I'm assuming there's one near all the rides, Silver Bullet, Accelerator, but we haven't seen them yet, so we'll go take a peek as we walk around. And no reopen date yet on the log ride. The train is back open, at least for the weekend. We'll find out if it's open permanently because they were working on the track. Some of the machinery is still sitting behind Jen on the track, and I know the crossing between Fiesta and Boardwalk was closed during the week. So we'll figure out if it's open again permanently, but the bandits are here today and the train is running.
You got any money?
No.
Yes.
You know, you ask me every week and I still don't have any. Like,
Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, how about Jen?
earlier this week, there was a little bit of a pipe burst, from what I understand. So the leather shop and the restrooms are closed. With Boysenberry Festival coming to an end soon, it may be your last chance to play this game. When the Western Trails Museum is open, make sure you come in here. It is a part of Knott's history. Make sure Knott's knows you want the museum. So we come through all the time, and it's amazing. You always find something you didn't see the time before, even though we've been in here so many times. And I always tell the story, they kind of shrunk the museum down years ago to make more backstage space for the saloon. And there used to be a button collection that my mom absolutely loved. She loved buttons, and every time we'd come here, she'd go look at the button collection. But that is no longer here, but there's plenty else to see, so make sure you come on in. And while we look around the museum, we can confirm the railroad is back open permanently now, and the mine ride was just down temporarily. Inside you could see the recreation of the 20 Mule Team created by Bill Shirley in the 1940s. And there is a 20 Mule Team Borax Museum right outside of Barstow. My dad and I have actually been to that. And there's also near the Furnace Creek Ranger Station in Death Valley, there is a kind of an outdoor, I think it's where they loaded the Mule Team to head down to Barstow. Been there too. A little fact, which I don't know if this is accurate, that the first two of the mules on the 20 Mule Team are actually horses. And those of us that remember the chapels by the lake, this is the Transfiguration of Christ from that chapel. The booth right outside of the Western Trails Museum, this is open daily, is Patra's home through the end of the Boysenberry Festival, open daily. She now has little flowers. These are really pretty. I haven't seen these before. Look at their sunflowers.
Yes.
These are really, really pretty. Of course, all flowers need bees. Those are cute too. We were gonna say hi to Sad Eye Joe, and there are so many people over there that we can't even get over there. And this just goes to show that people love this stuff at Knott's. It's these little interactions, like at the museum and Sad Eye Joe, that people love. Alright, we're going to wrap up this video here in front of the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, who had its official grand reopening last Friday. The restaurant's completely reopened with the beautiful patio. Check that out. The room's beautifully remodeled. So we're going to wrap it up here, like I said. And Jen was complimenting these sunglasses, because I always lose my sunglasses. These I paid $1.50 for at the Dollar Tree. They weren't $1.25, they were $1.50. So they were on the upper tier of what they're selling there. So if you would like a pair of these glasses as well, go to your local Dollar Tree. Not the 99-cent only, the Dollar Tree, because 99 is no longer here. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. And follow us on social media. And if we missed an update, let us know today. If you like my glasses, put it down in the comments. They look pretty nice. I almost fell off the curb here. Jen's holding my arm. Oh, you know what we should check to see if they changed? The vehicle lane. We'll look next week. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you. Jen, you know what? You need
to go home.
Da